everybody. Today we're going to do some apple salad. I figured everybody's getting ready for the holidays. This would be like a really nice light side dish that you can include, and it's really quick. So let me get started. The first thing you're going to need is some mayonnaise, and let me go ahead and note this. This is good for 12 servings, but I split it in half. So you need to make note of that if you make it.
I'm loving this feeling of something new, just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio.
And I need 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to be using a substitute.
We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio.
I'm using the Truvia brown sugar. Kind of cut back on the sugar just a little bit. And I was only supposed to put a tablespoon and a half of that in there, so it's probably going to be a little bit too sweet, but that's okay.
The night's got a fever to the moon and back.
Put just a little bit of lemon juice in there. Just going to do a couple tablespoons. You need that to keep your apples from changing color. So you can use fresh, or you don't have to.
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along.
Okay, now all you have to do is add your apples. I did Granny Smith. The original recipe called for Honey Crisp, but there was a note at the bottom that said you could use any crisp apple. So I did some Granny Smith apples, celery, thinly sliced, really thin, red grapes, cut in half, and you need about 1/2 cup of dried cranberries. Let's have more. And 1/2 cup of pecans, chopped pecans. A little bit more in there. Okay. Now, just mix all that together. Hopefully this dressing that I made will cover it. You have to cover it and sit it in the fridge and let it sit there for at least 30 minutes before serving. And make sure that your apples are good and coated because you don't want them to turn brown.
Sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life.
Alright, thank you for watching.